Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining me from Singapore is Aaron Tan, founder and CEO of Caro. Aaron, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to Trade Talks.
Thanks for having me.
And Aaron, let's talk about the expected trends for Southeast Asia's automotive industry in 2021.
We are basically Southeast Asia's largest marketplace for cars, and we specialize largely in used cars. And for 2021, we expect to see continued strength, especially in the used car trade, primarily because of the shortage of chipsets, right, in the new car trade, causing a lot of demand that is causing a lot of supply issues in the new car sectors, right? So meaning the used car will see a lot of demand in the near term, and definitely as a result, the prices of used cars are expected to rise, right? And we also continue to see the growth of EVs, especially electric vehicles, across Southeast Asia in the foreseeable future.
Aaron, tell us about Caro and how the company is leveraging technology to launch customer-centric solutions.
Right. So for us, we pride ourselves with having a lot of nuclear scientists, right? A lot of data scientists, and there are some of them who are actually nuclear scientists in the company. All right. So we do everything from computer vision, whereby we understand what exactly through computer vision, how deep is the scratches, whether or not the car has been in accidents using computer vision techniques, or using sound, right? Acoustic technologies, or acoustic using computer sound, so to speak. We are able to detect whether or not the cars and the engines have issues and predict actually whether or not the vehicles itself could have failures, right? So these are technologies that we use to determine whether or not we buy cars, whether or not we service cars, or for that matter, inspect the cars correctly, right? So I think that's one part of many things that we do, which is we actually pride ourselves in being able to accurately diagnose the condition of the vehicle, and for that matter, buy it in at the right price. And whenever we take the car in, we then resell it on our platform, enabling as a result, a better customer's experience, right? Because for that matter, the car is in a good condition. Naturally, the customers that's buying it on the other end of the equation will then, as a result, have a much better experience, because they know that every single car that is bought on the Caro platform itself stands for a seal of approval. And that's what we do on a very high level, using technology to enable really greater customer satisfaction through much deeper, better inspection.
What is Caro's growth and expansion plans in Southeast Asia?
Well, we are currently doing somewhere north of, say, 180, 200,000 units of vehicles annually right now. So the plan really this year is to grow about 3 times we did last year, right? So last year we did somewhere north of about 300 million Sing in revenue. So this year we are targeting somewhere north of about $1 billion in revenues, and the goal internally is to try to hit somewhere north of about more than $100 million in GP, and that's what we're aiming to do internally within this financial year, right? So year on year, the plan is very simple. We'll grow about 3 times year on year, which is what we have been doing consistently for the last couple of years. And Financial Times, in fact, just recently named us as the fastest growing company in APAC, and that is something that we're pretty proud of.
And Aaron, just one more question: any other opportunities moving forward for the long term you want to share with us?
Yeah, so there are a lot of things that we want to do as a company, right? So in the long or short run, so to speak, we don't think that long in like 10 years and stuff. But in the short run, the plan is to expand the service offering beyond just Indonesia, Thailand, Malaysia, and Singapore, where we claim pole position, especially in Indonesia, Thailand, and Singapore as markets. We are looking to expand, especially more aggressively in and around the region, in places like Philippines, in places like Vietnam even, and even beyond this in the Pacific areas, right? Say in Australia and whatnot even. So the near-term plan really is to expand the service offering that we have and go deeper, right? Today, we are already one of the largest lender in auto marketplaces across Southeast Asia. We have license to lend and to do insurance across all the markets that we are present in today. And we intend to go way deeper into it beyond just expanding horizontally. We intend to go deeper into each of the sectors as we move along.
All right, Aaron, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thanks for having me, Jill.